everybody. I decided just to pop on live really quick because I'm throwing together something that we're gonna have for lunch. We're gonna be out at the pool today, and I figured let's have a nice protein-packed lunch. This is one of my favorite recipes. Another shout out to skinnytaste.com. It is an egg salad with chickpeas. So I'm going to use my cool and serve bowl. I'm gonna make it right in my cool and serve bowl. Why dirty another dish? And I am going to take, and you could do as many or as little as you want. I'm going to take 4 hard-boiled eggs. Now I really wanted to show this off because this tool right here, the mash and chunk, is going to be discontinued the end of this season. So the end of the spring 2019 season, which is ending the end of August or until it sells out, is going to be discontinued. Look how quick and easy this is. I'm literally pushing down. It is going to chunk up my eggs. This is wonderful with potatoes for potato salad. This is great for a nice chunky guacamole. Look how easy, and I just chunked all of those eggs just like that. So if you want one of these, hit me up. We'll make sure we get one for you before they sell out. So the next thing I want to do is I already drained out a can of chickpeas. I used my measuring colander, which is wonderful. It has all these slats. It has all the measurements. I already drained this out. I had it rinsing out. This is wonderful for beans. This is great for all of your small berries. And we're just gonna put that right in there, and we're going to toss those up right now. And we're gonna mix them together. This is like stupid easy. Now, really quick, since I just opened this can, I wanted to show you how to use our smooth edge can opener. It is simple, it is easy, it is not going to rust, it is not going to cut you. You're gonna lay it right on top at the edge. When you start to twist, it's gonna grab the can. Go all the way around, nice and easy. It doesn't even feel like the can is opening. Once you get around the edge, you feel a slight release. You turn it the opposite way and it releases, and there is your little grabber. Grabby. And I'm gonna grab the edge of my can and boom, look at this. No cuts here, no cuts here. This is a must-have in every single kitchen. So just to finish off this salad, yes, it's that easy. I have my spiral and slice. Again, you could slice it really thin by hand. You could use your simple slicer, but I have some red onion in here. We're just gonna go really thin with some red onion, and we're gonna put a little bit of olive oil, okay? And you can use red wine vinegar. You can use apple cider vinegar. I have some apple cider vinegar here today. Again, I'm just doing this by eye, but if you would like the exact measurements, it is on skinnytaste.com. And this is where I make it my own, and I make it special, and I make it Pampered Chef, because I'm putting some of our Greek rub in it. Amazing. It just takes it to a whole nother level. You might want to add a little bit of salt and pepper, but guys, look, that is all there is to it. I have this delicious protein-packed lunch, and now I'm gonna put my cooling insert in here. It will stay outside cold for up to 6 hours. This is a must-have in the summertime. Hope you found that quick and easy, guys. Get that protein in, a delicious lunch or snack for you.